Ramzan Siddique Bhatti, Bhatti. Ramzan Siddique Bhatti is a Pakistani politician who was a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from 2008 to May 2018. Early life and education. He was born on 2 June 1976 in Lahore. He has a Bachelor of Arts degree which he obtained in 1995 from Forman Christian College. Political career. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League in PMLN from constituency PP-153 Lahore Roman 17 in 2008 Pakistani. He received 24,391 votes and defeated Zulfikar Ali Badr, a candidate of Pakistan People's Party PPP. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of PMLN from constituency PP-153 Lahore Roman 17 in 2013 Pakistani general election. In December 2013, he was appointed as Parliamentary Secretary for Local Government. He was re-elected to Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of PMLN from constituency PP-166 Lahore Roman 23 in 2018 Pakistani general election. References